ISES, the International Ship Engineering Service Association, was founded in 1963, providing repairs, service and equipment to the merchant marine and offshore industries in all our major ports worldwide. As a group, the objective of the association, which has got more than 50 years of history, is to form a quality worldwide service network of companies specializing in repair, service and manufacture of all forms of marine-related equipment. We are an organization whose members have all been carefully selected to ensure that the association maintains a very high level of dedicated and specialized expertise to ensure customer satisfaction wherever in the world they are called upon to provide a service. We want ISES to be a renowned, unified and formidable profitable global players with strategies and plans worked out today by all members to grow us and take us into the next business generation. We have the platform, we have the relationship, we have the experience, and it is for us to think collectively and see how we can collaborate and grow our individual and collective businesses together. Our members' expertise covers the following fields: electrical, rewinding of motors and generators, thrusters, distribution panels, lights, circuit breakers, switchboards, service and maintenance, as well as any kind of general electrical repairs. Electronics, sales, repairs and installation of navigation and communication equipment, IT networks, SATCOM, radio surveys and annual performance tests for VDRs, SVDRs. Mechanical, comprising renewal repair on hull, ballast and hatch, piping work on deck, engine room and tanks, turbo repairs and overhauls, propellers, workshop fabrication of pipes, safe fastenings, repair of main and auxiliary engines, cranks shaft grinding, installation of new machinery, etc. Other technical services: underwater diving repair works, automation, airtime, consultancy, maintenance contracts, project management and turnkey solutions. Some of the benefits of being part of our global network are: be part of a global service network, connect with members of the maritime industry around the world, increase your technical knowledge shared by other members, get access to ship owners, ship manager and ship operators worldwide, obtain key market and business information, get access to spare parts of hundreds of brands, increase your work with service partners, extend your service coordination worldwide, access to main manufacturers in the industry, interact with other maritime associations which have agreements with us such as BIMCO, IMPA and AEMT, expand your marketing power, enhance your industry knowledge, free entry in the ISES Marine Service Guide, which is distributed to thousands of decision makers in the industry, improve your profile and visibility, free entry of your details on the ISES website, digital service guide and social networks with more than 25,000 followers, automatic invitation to the ISES annual general meeting, be ISES accredited. Come and join us. Let's write the future together.